Unong ilam ka Seng NPP ukonrat sangma. Mentang sengi ulai Ksai ba ka Seng ka Pyrshah ya ka jing terwa ban pentri kam ya ka uniform civil code. Ong ba ka Seng kampat yo i ya ka mait pang jong ka bil. Henry ong ba ka jingbun jong ki jinglong ki bapher ha ka jela ha ka than bat ka rihi barok kawe ka penlong ya ka India ka ri ka babun ki jing yapher. La ban kedau ba ka sorkar pedeng ka yale ban pentri kam ya ka uniform civil code ka badai na ka benta ban wanra ya ka wei ka an ka ban tri kam na ka benta baro bat kan ktaru ya ki mat shimet kum ka shongkha ka jing pelat san shiing ka jing tingkhun ka jing ai benta batru ka jing yo pateng.
As a political party, we realize that the entire Northeast, for the matter of fact, has got a unique culture and unique ways of our society, and hence we would want that to remain, and we would not want that to be touched. So therefore, we'll have to see how the bill, if it comes out, will be, and the actual language in the bill. But as a concept in its own, as I said, it's something that does not go with the entire idea of India being a diverse nation, and diversity being our strength and our identity, and hence a uniform civil code will go against that idea, is what the National People's Party.